Hey everybody, by George, I think we did it. And I have to tell you, I am so stinking excited, I cannot believe it. All right, I'm gonna post below this video a link that you can use to send me any video that you make related to gardening that you wanna go up on YouTube. So here's how it's gonna work. So you're gonna send you talking about how to propagate, or you talking about how your yard looks and walking around showing that, or your house plants. You can be on it or not. Make sure though, because of the volume and so we can hear you, if you decide you want to talk, that you keep the speaker of your phone up super close so that we can hear you, okay? Also, it's going to be so much fun because when it comes to me, I'm going to put an introduction on the front. So I'll need to know your name, where you are, like Fuquay or Apex or Cary or wherever, Raleigh, anywhere. But the kicker is you have to be a member of the North Raleigh Seed Library to be able to post. So this isn't like display gardens, you know, at some great nursery that you've seen, or a display garden at the Arboretum or any of that. This is focused on you, on the North Raleigh Seed Library, that you're a member and something that you have to contribute that you want to share with everybody. So we've got a lot of fun coming up. I have something huge planned for this week. Get ready. There are 2 really, really good videos coming out on Friday. So stay tuned. And one, I think, is going to kick off a whole bunch of stuff you guys are going to want to do too. So anyway, I'm going to put the link there. It's using Dropbox. You don't have to sign up for anything. You don't have to pay for anything. You use this link and send me your video, and then I can download that video, and then I post it to the North Raleigh Seed Library's YouTube channel. And also I'll put a link on the North Raleigh Seed Library Facebook page. So I hope that you do this. Now, we're in the learning curve, right? So don't get frustrated. You'll save it as a video on your phone, just like you normally would, and then you just upload that file to me. And here's the main thing, the most important thing. You have to film in landscape mode. That means just turning the phone sideways when you film. If you film it up and down, it cuts everything out and it'll turn it into one of those little short 2-second videos. So anyway, make sure to film sideways and have a good time with it. And if it doesn't come out quite right, delete. So come join me and try to be a YouTube star, and we'll post it. And again, you're welcome to be on it, have anybody on it, as long as they're members of the Seed Library. So maybe even take a picture of you running around doing the scavenger hunt. That would be great. It would get other people to do it too. Just no advertising. Don't put any names of any nurseries, no sales. We just want to always keep this free and available to everybody, and no competition between any of the businesses. This is supposed to be for fun. Just enjoy it. So see you later. I hope you have a great gardening day. Take care. Bye.